Welcome to a series about AVL's dynamic ground truth system, where we want to introduce our approach of highly accurate dynamic environmental measurements for the homologation of automated driving systems and the efficient development of ADAS features. Even with basic ADAS functions, such as active safety features according to general safety regulations, challenging situations might occur which end in false negative behaviors. Today we want to demonstrate how our DGT system can detect such situations in order to efficiently develop and secure your ADAS and AD features.
In the following, we will demonstrate road conditions which are challenging the robustness of emergency lane keeping systems. These ADAS active safety features will interact if a driver crosses the mid lane, steer back and prevent any possible collisions with the oncoming traffic. However, any unexpected interaction, like a false positive for example, can cause a controversial situation. Here we have the situation of hairpin curves with high road gradient and also very poor lane markings. The front camera of the ADAS function has a limited view and can cause unexpected behavior. The rooftop box has the 360-degree view, which perfectly provides data of such situations for the development and testing of ADAS functions.